are fighting for the freedom of our people. So this morning, all these Chin stars who are in Australia, we enjoy the tournament. The weather is really beautiful. But do not forget that we all belong to Chin people. We have to be united as Chin. We have different communities, but we all belong to Chin citizens. There is no such thing as Zhou Pei citizen or Zhou Tung citizen or Matu citizens. We are all Chin people. So we have to be united as Chin. The Australians, the government, they know you as Chin. So we have to overcome our community, our local consciousness, and unite as Chin people. So if you all live in Chin State right now, Chinland right now, your brothers and sisters are taking arms to fight for their freedom. Within 2.5 years, more than 300 young people in Chin State have sacrificed their life already. More than those who are here this morning. So I invite you all to support our freedom movement in Chin State. Some young people, you can come back to Chin State and join the fight for our freedom. If you cannot travel to Chin State, you can do something, whatever you can do here in Australia. I request you all to support our movement because the Burmese military, they have killed us, they have burned our houses, thousands of our houses have been burned down. Thousands have crossed the border and live in Mizoram State in India as refugees. There are 60,000 IDPs inside Chin State. So they all need your prayer, your support. So let's enjoy today and do not forget that we are here in Australia, but we belong to Chin. Someday you will return to Chin State, Chinland, and rebuild our nation. General, Mungeroi, Dine Lususi Charatua, two be one tami bare, the Akasari Piane Chare, Ayasia Gambare, Damachuro Lumiuha, take away with the Lumiu Pitesura, Lumeroi, Loma, Mecha Book, to total the Tatun Lubare, Lumutian and Masusina Busulusindo. Tumiaga, Mamasita Katolagong, the Channel New Katolagong, Celepiro Octomate Channel, Erajantine, Chilung Airway, Australia Masita Chare Lung Airway, Lumutian and Susi Pulua Labi, Choro Lumia Lula Yetua, Choro Chin Lumio, Lungchong Yetua, Kakwa Yetua. Nilam Pong Song Pao in Chapo, Alum Potato Lubare, the mine pit town, Titi Tans on Chapo, Niba, Regado Lagong, Lunga Regado Lagong, Road Tape with the Titola Yima, Nilam Pong Song Pao in Chapiroma, Road Chimpi Town, Tiso 90, T, Chinamuta, Tiso 90, Amuta Yima, Tete Jojo Pao in Piro. Mute ne coup d'etat recouchol wa piroma lumute yanda nena chin lumio nena susi japo ro chin lumio ya na ka twa lola ye twa ni lam pong so ma ne pao japo Alum utai tu yin na bani kucho apare.
Strong message about young people present today here. So I'm going to give a microphone to Thomas to help you with regarding rules and regulations.
Alright guys, how are we doing? Good? Good! What an example this morning. Whoever started the first two match, you guys are on time. Everyone was energetic. I respect you guys for that. And let's keep that up. So, as you guys know, we have a tight schedule. So everyone have a role to be there on time on your game time, yeah? So you only got one job, yeah? That's a saying. You only got one job, alright? Be there on your